What's up guys, AK with the CC Train. Thank you very much for supporting channel. This video for members, and here I go. Gorgeous EP-5 General Electric Rapido latest model. Absolutely fantastic, but at the same time bunch of detailed parts. In Rapido manual it's clearly saying missing or damaged parts. So they're talking about missing parts, and in the previous video about unboxing that model, I recommended to do it on a clean area, you know, with some white background. So the one letter I found in the box, in that insert, and the second one, which is in the back of the engine, like on the bottom of the box. Here we go. So what they recommend, just be careful to work on those models because it's very tiny parts and stuff. You, under warranty, you can send them back, but I'm going to accomplish it myself. So to do that, I'm using only Loctite Professional super glue, and I'm not sure this time. I check other two steps, they are fine, but this glue, they call it white glue, not strong, so I clean it very easily. So maybe Rapido guys, if you're watching that video, you might check your glue. So this is back of the like peeling part from the stickers, and chassis actually separating from shell. It's a very kind of European models doing that stuff, so it's just has some locks. I never opened it yet, but that's what I did. So if you're going to, can be very dangerous if you're going to put glue all around those two tiny pins and slide it inside. The problem is, if you're not putting that waxy paper, the whole thing will be glued with with those steps to the chassis. Okay, so to avoid this, I'm putting these guys here. Okay, same thing for the other side of the engine. So my plan is, and you will watch it right now, the adhesive level to that wax is like 0, if we can measure that level. Yeah, so and I thought about it almost for a day. I think I'm going to like just slide it here like that right now to make sure it's positioned properly, something like that, and very carefully apply just a little bit of the super glue, like here and there, very carefully. So to do that, and you need to apply just tiny bit. If you need to do it second time, like just one and second step, that's fine. I will probably do just in 2 steps. Make sure I'm using relatively fresh. You don't need to be, you don't need to use like super fresh glue. It's very like runny, but this is like, it's 11/21, so it's about like 4 months old, which is good. Sometimes I'm using even older glue, so it's not like spreading out everywhere. Some not expensive for different brand glue, they keeping static, so they try to actually just kind of vibrates and like stick to the some other parts. You don't want to do it, of course. So that's my glue. Let's do it. So I'm applying to that my let's call it dozator in Russian, just like a pin thing. Bought it at the train show years ago, and applying very carefully, a little bit far from the engine. Of course, you're not seeing it. It's about like less than half foot. So that will do it. And of course, after that, you immediately cleaning the nozzle. Okay, that's maybe too much. So need to be very careful. If you're not happy with the amount of glue, just redo it. Yeah, that should do. That should do it. All right, so applying here. Very nice. And no rush. On the other side. Yes, and then I'm going to slide it. And it should be a little bit bented like this way. And I think I got it. Let me check. Still not cure because it's older glue. A little bit more bent. Oh, here's the tip. I'm using this kind of actually immediately clean your nozzle of the glue, so it's clean, nice and clean right now. So I'm using that foam, kind of very hard like foam, very small bubbles in that foam, usually from like stores like Hobby Lobby type, you know, you can cut it easily. But my point is, if you put it straight on your table, there are some parts, you know, especially those grab rails. Yeah, so you don't want to, nothing really happened, but that's just a safe side to do it. So I think at this point, see, job done. Looks great. There we go. And that's from the factory. Mine is even more straight. All right. That will be all for today. Thank you guys supporting business and channel with a membership. I will do more live videos, how to fix, install, and all that about DCC, my new layout I'm building on DCC Train Live channel. Link will be in the description and a comment. Thanks again. Have a good one. Bye bye.